is not turning towards this or it is not turning towards this, or tangent is not inclined towards this or that, both tangent is 0 sort of thing. So, that point is point of saddle point. And this radius of curvature, having any idea? Why I am emphasizing all these things? All this calculation we do by dy dx, and dy dx is the tangent. For me it is a tangent, and this clarity if you have, then you have a clear idea of everything. But we know that analytically we know that thing is happening like that, but it is very difficult to get how it is happening. Up to this clear? So, line, if you think of we are dealing with line or surface, then calculus is very easy, or dy dx, calculating dy dx is very easy. And how this calculation of dy dx is very easy, I will demonstrate one example. We have y is equal to x square. How this curve will look like? It is like a parabola like that. And what will be the dy dx? Dy dx curve?
2x.
2x. How this curve will look like?
Constant line.
Constant line, very good. This is something like that. Okay. Now, what will be the integration of this? Y dx, integration of
X cube by 3.
very good. How this line look like? This will be something like that. Agree? Now, you see, now if you know this formula, because you know this formula, this is equal to x cube by 3. This is like that, integration of x square dx, no issue. But if you do not know this formula, can you draw these lines? Any idea? That we will try to get it here. This is x, and you practice this also in your laptop. So, that will be fine, because you can practice it in later phase. What I have done, I have taken x values arbitrarily, x is independent. So, I have taken a domain from -2 to +2, okay. And our formula is this y is equal to x square. So, this is the x, formula, just you can write down this formula like that. This is I have taken minus 2 and then I added plus 0.1 with all these things. Once finished, raise hand. How you can drag this or click this corner, then you will get this same formula copied throughout. Is it okay? Whatever I am teaching here today and second half, I will teach something which is not covered in syllabus, but I think that it is required for every engineer to know, and I will cover today that portion. And I feel that if you know those things, it will make your engineering career very simple and enjoyable, because everything whatever comes in your engineering subjects, it will be reproduced mathematically. You can say it is a mathematical modeling sort of thing that I will start after break. So, today I will be covering all these things, and subsequent lectures I will concentrate on the question papers of specific topics. So, up to this okay. So, now dx, what is the dx? Dx is this x 2 minus x 1, is not it? It is write down this formula, these two, difference of these two is del x, no? And then so this is the dx, and what is the dy? Del y is this one, this minus this. Over. So, dy dx, now what is dy dx? This is equal to, this is dy divided by dx. Up to this over. So, we have calculated x, y, del x, del y and dy dx, and then we know that formula is dy dx is equal to 2x. So, 2 into 2 into x. So, again drag this and you will get this thing. Up to this over. So, now whether I have calculated this dy dx and it is I have calculated from formula as well as calculated from the my new technique. So, actually what we are required to do, we will try to plot this and see that whether these two are same or not, and for that what we will do, for plotting in Excel we have to that insert okay. Insert, then scattered, and then this last one is scattered with straight lines and markers. This last one you select that and you will everything will come like that. You just remove all these things, or you can select that, right click, select data and remove everything you can remove and cancel like that. If you cancel, again it will come, select data, remove all these things. Okay. So, this is your blank curve, and now we will add this right click and here select data, right click and select data, then add, and you can name it this is y, and you want to plot x and y. And then select y, and you see this curve has appeared. Up to this, okay. So, it is okay. Have you drawn? No. A problem, any shall I repeat? What is the issue? I will repeat again. This insert, then scattered, then right one, then blank format will come. If it is not blank, then remove all those, right click, then right click and select data and add, then series name you can put this name y, and then select x series. X series is from 2 to this all x data, and then y series is all y data. This is the thing. Are you facing any difficulty? Can I repeat again? Hmm? Add this, add, and then when you click this, then this window will come, edit series window. Here you now we will be I have taken now dy dx, and here series x values, again same x, then again y dy dx. Okay. So, it should be a straight line, as we know. Let us see what happens. Okay. And yes, it is an straight line. As you are asking whether we can do it manually, it is not possible to draw all these things. So, you never can see what you are doing, calculating. So, now it is possible, and it is possible to compare. You can now, with the technology, you can use so many graphs, you can create and see that whether actually you want that or not. Then again this is our calculated one, and then I will plot this against those values calculated by formula, that analytical formula